Right, here we go then with another one. We're back in the amazing Snowdonia today and we're on Cnicht. Let's do it. Yep, so Cnicht, it's 2,267 feet and it's known as the Welsh Matterhorn. So this is part of the Moelwynion Range of Snowdonia, and Siabod is the highest mountain in the range. It's 2,861 feet, Siabod is. And you have to excuse the pronunciation, it's actual Moel. I'm just used to saying Moel because it's my name. It's actually Moel or Moel. Looks like we got some clouds rolling in, some weather up there. Still half a mile to the summit yet. Yeah, sweating a bit. First proper mountain for a good few months this. In the words of Graham Taylor, this is a test, a real test. Tough old scramble up that Scree path. So Cnicht is derived from the English word night. So that's how he gets the nickname of the Welsh Matterhorn there. Look, it's like a knight's helmet. He was a family of merchants in Tarn called Knight. Where he gets the name from. I've got to scramble up that now, so let's do it. I'm going to scramble up this section anyway. You might have a bit of exposure there, isn't there? We've got some weather rolling in, fortunately. So as you can see, the weather's changed in 5 minutes. It was clear 5 minutes ago. Now all the clouds have rolled in. That's always a chance you take. There you go. Quite a scramble that. I'm certainly no expert in scrambling, far from it. Just take your time. in the clouds. Incredible. It's a bit claggy, but that's another one done. That's the summit of Cnicht. Peace. So it's also classed as a Marlin, Cnicht is. It's got a prominence of 492 feet, one of the many Marlins in the United Kingdom. Now 2¼ miles, all that scrambling and elevation. We've only done 2¼ mile. There's our old friend Snowdon there, right in the middle of the screen. Here, Wyddfa. That's the Cnicht North top. Superb. So in the far distance there, that's the highest point in the Moelwynion Range, and that's Siabod, or Moel Siabod. So I think that one just in the middle there, that's Moel Hebog, which I'm hoping to do on Good Friday, weather permitting. So it's known as a hump, Cnicht, which is a 100-metre peak, and it's also a Hewitt. That's anything above 2,000 feet, that is. Incredible, those rocks. That brings me on to the old geology fact of the day then. Cambrian and Ordovician rock formed around 450 million years ago. So you can see all the slate there. All formed from the volcanoes, as I say, around 450 million years ago. Incredible. So that lake's known as, or Tarn, as it's known as in the mountains, Llyn Adar. Apparently stocked with a lot of brown trout, 10-acre lake. Known as Lake of the Birds. It's a boggy route for sure. 4.5 mile. Coming up to 4 hours. Definitely a summer route, this one. So boggy. Really is. That's where we come from, way up there, and that waterfall is in the distance. Hell of a trek, that one. Magnificent though. Views are unreal. So there's all the slate. All the slate quarries back in the 19th century. Nearly 6.5 mile, nearly 5 hours. Tough old trek that. That's it then guys, I'm all wrapped up with another one. That was Cnicht. So peace, see you on the next one. Sounds German, doesn't it, this mountain? Cnicht. Cnicht.